Okay guys, welcome to CSONS at home. We are going fairly traditional, I guess. We're going to have a sort of poached chicken and mayo salad. So we've got some poached chicken there, from Springfield, some nice little gems, some wild garlic mayonnaise, some beautiful looking radishes, a bit of wild garlic dressing, some paprika and some chives. Did I say paprika? It might be paprika or it might be cayenne. I think it'll be cayenne. So the first thing we're going to do, let's just go through our lettuce leaves here. We empty them out onto the board. And we're going to take out our favourite ones, which are going to be the base of the dish. So I think nice sort of medium-sized, brightly coloured ones, a bit like that, if you can. So we've got a couple of them, then maybe a couple of them, and a couple of them. Then the rest, we're going to kind of roughly chop. So we're going to roughly chop, unless they're really small, in which case we'll just pop them in. Just grab them all together like that. And then I think if you just go a bit of an angle, something like that. Take our chicken, and we'll pop that straight in there.
What's the chicken in?
Course bouillon and chicken stock. So yeah, we reuse it a couple of times and get the so that we get the chicken flavour in the stock already, and then it just gets better and better, really. Okay, so now we're going to mayonnaise this up. I think we're just going to slap it all in there, just like that. Now, probably the easiest thing to do now would be to use your hands, but I'll go in with this at the minute. It's actually coating it quite nicely. I think it looks pretty tasty already. So, now what we're going to do is we're just going to try and make these look pretty nice. There's something a bit like that on the bottom. And then you pile this chicken on. Pile the chicken and lettuce up. It's a very simple start this week, but I think kind of coming into the spring, the main course is quite sort of wintry and filling, and this is a bit of a lighter sort of start, I think. Now, that's just about making it look pretty with a few extra textures.
What's this with?
So these are raddish. We might even be able to get some of these from Hare Hill, I'm thinking. Hopefully. I know they are growing some, but whether they'll be ready, I'm not sure. Yeah, add a nice bit of crunch, a little bit of pepperiness.
And a bit of colour.
And, indeed, make it look super cool. It's looking quite nice, I think. A little pretty little ditty.
Yeah.
I think you can get some of this to drizzle around. Dot it around. So, bags of flavour and colour coming from the wild garlic. You know, this is cayenne, so try and get it dusting all over.
Beautiful, Josh.
Thanks.
It's a summer, spring, fresh super treat.
Yeah.
Delicious.
We might have a few other bits to put in there by the time we get around to making this one in a couple of weeks, but we'll see what's around.